Hello, welcome back with me, Teddy Lintang Ananta from Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. Today, in this video, I will explain how to setting different length of the CNC lathe tool. There are two different settings for the length of the tool, and namely X direction and the Z direction. But this time, I will explain how to set the Z direction length different on the CNC lathe machine. So, don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Okay, I will explain how to set the Z direction tool length different on the CNC lathe machine. But before that, I will explain a little about the lathe machine. A lathe machine is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, deformation, facing, and turning, with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about that axis. There are two types of lathes, namely manual lathes and CNC lathe. Okay, back to topic. How to set the Z direction length different on the CNC lathe machine. First of all, plug the Z0 setter at the CNC machine chuck. The tools attached to the CNC machine chuck are tool 1 and tool 7. Tool 1 is used as a reference, so the value is 0. First, go to handle mode, then remove the tool towards Z direction. Touch the chisel to the surface of the Z0 setter, then make sure that the needle on the Z0 setter shows 0 number. Switch to display. We press pause mode, then press relative mode. Remember, relative mode. Next. When you are in a relative mode, the U and V coordinate will appear. We change the number in the column V to 0 by pressing V, then pressing origin. After that, we keep tool 1 away from the Z0 setter. Then we replace tool 1 with tool 7 by pressing the turret button. After that, repeat steps number 1 and 2 to the tool 7. So you can go to handle mode again, then you can move the tool towards Z direction and touch the chisel to the surface of the Z0 setter. Then make sure that the needle on the Z0 setter shows 0 number. After that, the length difference will appear on the monitor display. For example, 0.572. Then click the offset button. In the offset mode, there are two modes, namely wear and geo. Then select geo mode. After that, point the cursor to tool 7 in column Z. Enter the length difference value by pressing the Z button. Enter the length difference value by pressing the Z button. Then press input C. Then the value will enter the column automatically. Thank you. Okay, so that's all I can say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.